Hey, a couple times a year we lose our internet for like 2, 3, 4 hours. Not a huge deal, but about once a year we'll lose our internet for several days. And that is kind of a pain in the ass. It's even worse if we have renters in one of our properties and we lose internet because obviously that's an expectation that if you rent a place with internet, you're going to have internet when you're there. So I'm hopeful that this will be our solution for that problem next time it happens. This is called Roam Wi-Fi. We're going to crack into this right now. We're going to try it out over the next month and we'll see how it works. So this is the Roam Wi-Fi R10. It's made by a company out of China, of course, and it's based on 4G data. So there it is, pretty small. Fits in your hand, very lightweight. They say it can work in over 170 countries, and it can connect up to 10 devices at the same time. So here's our instruction manual and the charging cable. It's a 5,000 milliampere hour lithium battery inside here. So it should give you a good 5 or 6 hours, you think, of continuous use. There's for the charging there. And let's see if we can get this thing charged up and give it a go. I just walked the dogs down the street to test this out. And first, it's smaller than a cell phone, so it fits easily in the pocket. I paid $135 US for this, had it sent to the United States. If I had it shipped direct to Mexico, it's another $80 or so to have it sent here. And the cost to use it, it includes some data on it when you start. You don't need a SIM card. I mean, it's just basically like a portable modem. And you on it has like a little screen. You can kind of see it. I don't know if you can read it, but if you click on it, it tells you the password to log in. So just like you would check a modem for the password, it gives the password to you, and then it's going to tell you how much you've used and how much you have. So they start you out with 30 gigabytes, and I used 67 megabytes watching about 10 minutes of YouTube videos down the street. And so there's various packages. The cost is the same for anywhere in North America, but again, they have it for the Latin American countries, Europe, Philippines, Korea, Japan, all over the world, obviously. And the prices vary, but it starts at about $3 for a day for just minimal Wi-Fi. That would be like checking emails and stuff. And then you can get like a 5 gigabyte package. That would be around $20 or $25. So I'm going to continue to screw with it a little bit here over the next couple weeks. We're going to Morelia tomorrow. I'm going to take it there and try it out maybe in the park or something just to see how it works. And I think it just operates off of the cell networks, but we'll continue to mess around with it. But so far, I think it's a good alternative if you're in a pinch or if you're traveling and you're taking a bus or something like that and you want to have some data, whether you just want to watch videos or you need to do some work on a computer or something like that. So anyways, I'll keep you informed how it goes and touch base in another week or two. 3 weeks of use, and here's a little recap on it. One thing I did notice, for example, yesterday we had a big storm come through here and I tried to connect. It was just searching and searching for a network. So I think it could be difficult in stormy weather to connect to this Wi-Fi source. If it's right now, it's kind of cloudy, but it works great. A few weeks ago, I was on a boat. It was a nice day. Connected my phone to the Wi-Fi, watched an entire college football game. It was like 3.5 hours, and it used about a gigabyte of data, which is $5 on their price list. It was also no lag time, really good speeds. It's like 20 megabytes per second. That's only one device connected, so maybe it does slow down with more devices. But I think if you're somebody who travels a lot, you need Wi-Fi. This is a good alternative. If you're like us and you just want to have a backup source of Wi-Fi, it could be good for you. I believe they have a 5G version. This is the 4G. I don't think that there's 5G right now in Mexico, I kind of, from what I understand, 5G is still rolling out. It's only in 25 countries or so. So, it just kind of depends on what you need. But I'll put a link to this room Wi-Fi in the notes. If it is something you're interested in, you can pick one up for yourself. All right. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and we'll see you down here. Take care.